In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can instantly generate videos using text to video from Raw Shorts. To get started, simply upload your script and our platform will automatically assemble a video draft for you. So this is your storyboard. On the left, we have our text, and on the right, we can see how it's broken down into short form scenes for video. In addition to that, we can see how the AI has identified the main ideas and populated the storyboard with related media assets. I want to give you a preview of how the video is shaping up so far from that simple text input.
We know that running your own business is rewarding. But sometimes the paperwork can be a drag. Meet Matthew. Matthew is very busy running his own business.
In addition to identifying the main concepts, the AI is placing them on the timeline in complete synchronization with the narration from the text-to-speech engine. You have complete access to the project in our drag-and-drop editor, so you can easily replace icons that aren't a perfect match or edit colors and fonts to stay on brand, like so. Lightning-fast video creation designed to help you transform your text into video within minutes. Create your first video today on rawshorts.com.